If you got an email on your iPhone, but you accidentally hit the button to archive it or to delete it and it's in your archive or in the trash, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to find it if it's missing in the Mail app. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is show you in the Mail app. I'll also show you in the Gmail app if that's what you're using. So if I go in here and I open up this random email, you can see to the left is the little trash can icon. If I tap on that and it deletes it or it archives it, you can always get it back by tapping on the back arrow at the top left. And then we're going to scroll down, and that was in my iCloud account. So let me open up iCloud. And there you can see is archive at the bottom. I can tap on it and it will show me all of the archived emails. However, if it's not in there, there are some other places to check. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Instead of archive, it might have been in your trash folder. So tap on trash. A lot of times, instead of in your email archive, it will end up in your email trash folder instead. So check that to see if you can find it. If you still can't find that archive or trash, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap back again. And now at the top right, tap on edit. Here you can see all I need to do is find archive. Where is it? There it is, all archive. I can toggle this on, tap on done. And now I can tap on all archive, which will show all of the email accounts and all of the archive within those. Now let's also walk through this step if you're using the Gmail app. If you're using that Gmail app, you can tap on the three lines at the top left. And now you can see if I scroll down, there is no option that says archive. For Gmail, they use the trash or all mail. Essentially, those are the two different buckets. If you deleted the email, it would be in your trash. Or you can tap on all mail here and be able to see all of the emails that were sent and received, and they're all combined into one folder. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.